This one's a fun one, not that the last one wasn't, but I've got another fun one for you guys to check out. This is Bead Box Bargains or Bargain Bead Box. Either way you type it into Google, you're gonna get the information that you're looking for. Like I said, this is Bargain Bead Box and it comes in a teal bag. I love it. Every time I see the teal bag in my mailbox, I know that I've got goodies, and it's really, really exciting. So this is how it's going to come in this nice teal colored bubble mailer. You're not going to miss it. And on the inside is a wealth of fun stuff. Now, if you want to know how to subscribe, all of that information is going to be in the description box for you. It's also going to be listed at the blog as well. So definitely check that out. There's a link to that in the description box. And I've got a discount code for you guys to save you $2 off of your first shipment from Bargain Bead Box. So that is in the description box as well. Love this service. They always have great stuff. It is a wonderful way to stock up on beads, and they always send you a wealth of information. So this month's theme from the Bargain Bead Box is Starfish Beach, which is super cool. You've got summer vibes with this oceanic set. I already love it. I love all things ocean, sea related, especially in the summertime. They're offering a 30% off coupon for you to use at their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. That's why I say either way you type it in, you're going to come to the information that you're looking for. And then, of course, they have a contest that you can enter. So when you go through your supply of stuff, then you can make some beautiful creations, post those on their website, or I'm sorry, on their Instagram or their Facebook page, and you could enter to win a $25 gift certificate to spend at Bargain or at Bead Box Bargains. Okay, so super cool. A lot of different ways to use the subscription service. Not only are you getting a lot of cool stuff, but they offer you some other things as well. All right, so let's open this guy up. He's wrapped in tissue paper and then inside a beautiful blue organza bag, which I love. Packaging is always super important to me. I know it might not be to you guys, but I love good packaging. So I can see already lots of sea and ocean inspired things here. So let's get started with what's in here. Now, the approximate total retail value of the July box is $71. I did not pay $71 for all of this, I promise you. It was a fraction of that. So if you are interested in finding out just how much I paid for my Bargain Bead Box subscription, all of that is in the description box. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to dump this out over here to the side. And one of the things that I love about their service is that they also number everything so that it's easier for me to show you guys. All right, so the number one thing here is an 8-inch strand of 15 by 13 millimeter synthetic turquoise starfish beads. Yep, we've got the ocean feel going on already. Love these. These are super, super cool. You get a huge strand of these. 8 inches, that's a lot of beads, guys. That's a lot of earrings. That's a bracelet. That's, you know, adding these as dangles in a cool necklace. Super cute. Love that. All right, moving on. Number 2 is a 4-piece 9 by 15 millimeter sand dollar charm. I love it. Love it already. Look at these guys. Okay, these are super cute, and let me tell you why. Not only do they have a print on one side, but they also have a nice print on the back. So either way, if it's hanging, or you know how sometimes when your jewelry flips over, either way you're going to have a nice look to it. Super cool. You're getting 4 of these, and those are substantial charms. And you can definitely reorder these as well. Everything on the Bead Box Bargains site is priced reasonably, and you know, like I said, they've given you a 30% off discount, so may as well take advantage of that. All right, number 3 is a 14-inch strand of 4 millimeter Chinese crystal round beads in blue green iris. This is one of my favorite Chinese crystals. Look at that. Look at that shimmer and shine. So pretty. Definitely ocean feeling. Really, really beautiful. And you're getting quite a bit of these. A 14-inch strand, that's a lot of beads. Like if I were to lay this out flat, it's looped, but if I laid this out flat, that's That's a lot of beads. That's good stuff. Loving that. Beautiful. So far, everything really, really pretty. All right, number 4. Let's see here. Digging around to find my number 4. Number 4 is a 15 by 15.5 inch strand of 6mm mother of pearl shell round beads. Another really long strand of beads. Like, can't even show you all of them if I stretch them out. So I'm just going to hold them in the palm of my hand. These are beautiful 6mm mother of pearl beads, just like I stated. These are really, really beautiful. And that's a lot of mother of pearl shell. All right, so number 5 is 2-piece 19 by 12mm metal shell charms. I love these. These are little cowrie shells, but they're not really shells. They're that antique brass. Super cute. Love those. They make great earrings. All right, the next thing we've got is number 6. Number 6 is 20 pieces of 6mm Chinese crystal cubes in teal AB. These are beautiful. Lay all those out. Oh my gosh. I wish you could see in person the sparkle on these. They're so pretty. I love a cube bead. I'm a sucker for cubes. I love the Chinese crystal ones. I love the Swarovski ones. I love the check glass. It makes no difference to me. Cube beads are where it's at. They are super, super cool, and they make really funky, fun pieces of jewelry. You're getting 20 of these, which is amazing. I'm gonna sit those over to the side. These are super cool. You're getting 10 of these. These are little starfish beads. How fun are those? And you're getting a lot of these, which I really, really like. I love that there's not just 2 of these. You're getting several of these. 10 of these would make, gosh, I don't know. Just like with the turquoise ones that I showed at the very beginning, you could use these as earrings. You could use these as charms, and you know, dangles for necklaces. Super, super cool. Love that. All right, next is 12-piece electroplated lava stone beads. Lava stone beads are everywhere right now. They are super popular, and these are awesome. I have never seen electroplated lava stone beads before, but here they are. And you're getting several of these, like you're getting a little. All right, number 9 on the list is 1 meter of textured steel jewelry chain. I love it when they include things like this. It's always nice to get chain, and they offer you a good sized amount. That's 1 meter of chain. I do a lot with 1 meter of chain, and it's in that antique brass color, which is super cool. It matches all the charms. Really good addition. Number 10 is a hand carved starfish pendant. This is a big pendant. Like, this is a substantial guy, and it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You are not getting to see the way this looks because of all the light that I have going on in here. I wish you could see just how beautiful up close this is. This is a really large pendant, like I said, and it is hand carved, which makes it really special. And if you want more than one of these, you can reorder this as well. And let's see, number 11 is 30 bead caps. I love bead caps just as much as I love chain. I love it when you get extra things to kind of tie all of your pieces together. You're getting a ton of these bead caps, and let's see, there are 30 of these. That's a lot. They are 5 millimeters, and they have that star shaped to them, so they definitely go along with the theme. They look like little starfish. They look like little I don't know, sea urchins. They're super, super cool. They would be a beautiful addition to whatever you design. All right, next is 3 sets of rope style toggle clasps. And just like with the chain and the bead caps, I appreciate that they include this kind of item in their box. So you've got some clasps here. You've got 3 of those, and they're beautiful. They match. They have that kind of nautical feel to them. Super cool. All right, next up is 14 15 by 5 millimeter starfish charms. Love these. Again, these are right along with the theme. The others were beads, these guys. were beads. So they're drilled. You can string these along. These guys already have a ring on them, so that definitely makes them charms. You're getting several of these, 14 of those. That's a ton of charms. Super cool, same antique brass color, so everything matches. And next is a 2-piece 20mm handmade lamp glass beads. This was probably the one thing I was most excited about in this entire subscription, was these Lampwork beads. Look at these. These are absolutely beautiful. They have starfish on them. They've got that swirl of the ocean behind them. They've got that gold kind of fleck in them that looks like sand. And then the little rings here that look like, I don't know, some kind of little ocean creature. These are absolutely beautiful. I love that these were included. I am probably going to reorder some of these because I really love lampwork beads. I know what it takes to make a lampwork bead, so I have tons of respect when it comes to lampwork. All right, last but not least, last but not least, we have a 15-inch strand of 8mm blue quartz. These are permanently dyed round beads. This color, this is like my power color. And over the camera, I'm looking into the viewfinder right now. It just looks blue. It's not just blue. This is like that beautiful, like blue, green, just like teal, yummy goodness. And this, like I said, if I pull this out, is a 15-inch strand. I mentioned that at the beginning. This is a full strand. Tons of beads here. These are 8mm, so these are large beads. I absolutely love these. Could not be happier with this entire set. $71 is the approximate total value. Let me pull everything in here so you can get a better idea of what all is included. There is quite a bit here. Try to get everything into one shot. I don't know if I will be able to or not, but I will definitely have a thumbnail picture with everything in it so you can just see exactly how much you're getting. Like, I have a whole pile of stuff here. Let's see. It's going off the edge of the frame. I mean, there's just tons. Look at that. So much good stuff to work with. Everything goes with that nice ocean nautical theme. I love it that everything works together. You've got clasps, you've got charms, you've got some chain to work with, and bead caps. You've got everything you need here minus your stringing material to make a beautiful piece or several pieces of jewelry. The metal is high quality, lead-free pewter alloy with the antique bronze finish. Super cool stuff, and you also get that 30% off with your order. So if you want to reorder any of this, take advantage of that. Take advantage of my coupon code as well. That's in the description box to get you $2 additional off from your first time shipment. And I also have an affiliate link as well, so please feel free to use that if you would like to. And all of the information for how you can subscribe, all of the technical part of this is in the description box as well as the blog. So don't feel like I left all that out. That information is there for you. I just didn't want to bore you to death with it. I wanted you to see all the goodies. So, all right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.